Forget the grill. We are making juicy, flavorful Mbuzi Choma right in the oven. Tender on the inside, smoky and charred on the outside with a simple overnight marinade. I'll be using 1.5 kilos of goat meat. Start by scouring the meat so that the marinade can infuse deeply into every piece. For the marinade, add some fresh lemon juice, oil, and minced garlic to a bowl. For the spices, I'll be seasoning with cumin powder, paprika, coriander powder, onion powder, chili pepper, salt, and fresh rosemary for that signature Kenyan flavor. Mix until everything comes together into a smooth paste. Pour the marinade into the goat meat and rub it generously to make sure every piece is well coated. Cover and let it marinate overnight in the fridge for maximum flavor. Once marinated, cover the baking tray tightly with a foil. You can place the goat on a roasting tray and cover it with foil if you prefer. Roast the goat at 180 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes. Once the 90 minutes are over, remove the foil and transfer the meat into a wire rack. Switch your oven into broil and cook for 30 more minutes, turning once halfway through. This gives the mbuzi that smoky charred edges, just like Nyama Choma fresh off the grill. Let the roast rest for 5 minutes before serving. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the meat, then serve with ugali, kachumbari, or your favorite vegetables for a perfect Kenyan feast. It's juicy, spiced, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for family gatherings, friendly gets-togethers, or whenever you're craving authentic Nyama Choma vibe at home. And when you're done roasting, check out my Kenyan mbuzi stew recipe. It's rich, hearty, and the perfect way to enjoy goat in a completely different way. See you there.